Right, hey guys. So in today's video, I'll be doing a upgrade on the broken PC. So as you can see, here it is. I've just taken off the side panel, which is just out of shot at the moment. So I'm going to be basically taking out. You see that there? That's the graphics card currently installed. I'll be taking that out and putting in this. The Nvidia GeForce. I can't. Hold on. The GeForce GT610. There it is, sorry. Are we going to focus? No, okay. But yeah, that's going to be installed. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so when removing the graphics card, on this particular case, there's a sort of there's a black panel. It's not, you don't need to unscrew it, anything. You just need to sort of unclip it and pull it out, but unfortunately the clip is broken, so with a knife I'm going to have to sort of pry it out and then pull out the graphics card from there. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so there it is. There's the black clip. As you can see, I've put this on a wooden board. That's so it's insulated and hopefully will reduce static and won't damage the system. So if you are going to be messing around with your PC and installing new stuff, then put it on a wooden board or an insulating material. And you should really be using a kit. I'm not. It's just sort of like a wristbands round your wrist, etc. Just to reduce static again, but I just couldn't be asked, so yeah. Anyway, let's remove the graphics card that's currently installed. So it should be a case of just pulling it out. There we go, getting there. There we go. There it is. So that's the current graphics card. It's okay. I mean, you've got DVI and VGA and a port which I don't recognise, so it must be fairly old. But yeah, this computer's from 2006, I think it is. It's getting on, but I thought, you know, I may as well upgrade it anyway. So yeah. It's a new graphics card, so it should go in that way round, I think. We'll find out. Oh, I need to remove another slot. Hold on, guys. There we go, so just taking that out of the case. And be careful not to touch the gold-plated pins just there while you're doing this. Move the wire that away. I'm just trying to line it up at the moment, just to make sure I don't bust anything. There we go, and when you hear that click sound, you know it's in safely. So from here, I think we're good. I think. It does look like there's some screw holes. I will have to go and find some screws in a second. But yeah, I'll be back in 1 second, hold on. Right guys, I'm back with some screws. So I'm just going to screw in, there's just 2 holes down here, which just need a bit tightening. Just to make sure the graphics card is going to stay in there. Shouldn't even need any, but just to be safe, we will put some in. So I think they're going to need to be round heads, I think. Try and find a couple. That should do it. Careful not to drop it. That is a real nightmare when that happens. I'm trying to avoid it. There we go. I'll try and get it in now. Right, one more to put in. So here we go. See if we can. It does not want to go back. I don't want to force it. Should do. I'm not sure why. Yeah, it's very. Ugh. Yeah, you need to have small hands for this. Wow. No, it's just not happy. Okay, I think I'll just leave the one screw in there in that case. That seems to hold it in fine. So I guess the only way to really check is just to flip it over. And yeah, everything seems to be okay. It's certainly not flopping around. So yeah, I think we're fine. I'll put that down again. So that's been the Nvidia GeForce GT610 graphics card upgrade for the broken PC. It is actually not broken anymore. I did fix it the other day. I ran it. I plugged it in, turned it on. Obviously, it doesn't have any hard drive in it at the moment, so you're not going to get any boot options. But the processor fan was spinning fine, indicating no heat issues. So I think we're good actually. We're well on the way. Graphics card's been installed. Some more RAM is going to be ordered. At the moment we've only got 1 gig in there. I'll order probably 2 gig sticks. 2 2GB sticks I should say. So I think 4 gigs will be fine for this PC. Hard drive needs to be installed, and I think that's it. Then we have a working PC. It's actually decent. I've just got to install Windows, so I'll probably put that on the channel. It's fairly simple. You just put in the disk and just run it. That's pretty much it. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like rating. There will be some more of these coming soon. Probably the next one's going to be the hard drive upgrade in this series anyway. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.